Are you a truck guy or a truck girl? Do you love pickups? Well, if so, did you know that TFL has a channel dedicated to all trucks all the time? In fact, recently we got to take the brand new Nissan Pro 4X Frontier up the Ike Gauntlet towing the TFL test boat. But perhaps even more importantly, I recently had the chance to go play with the new SVT Raptor in the freshly fallen Colorado Powder. So if you love trucks, here's a sneak peek at what's happening over at the Fast Lane Truck. Oh yeah, you can subscribe to the Fast Lane Truck by clicking up or clicking below. Check it out next. If you're a skier, you may know the term first track. It's when you're the first one down a mountain, you get those big puffs of powdered snow in your face. Well, today in Colorado, we got lucky. Very lucky, because we've got the Colorado mountains, fresh snow, beautiful sunshine, and best of all, a high-speed camera and a Ford SVT Raptor. Coming up next on the Fast Lane Truck, First Tracks. Hope you guys had as much fun watching that as I did driving the Raptor. And I especially want to thank the entire TFL team for coming out on such a cold day, and especially Jeff Kroll, a local Boulder cinematographer, for his high-speed camera work. As always, this is Roman reporting for the Fast Lane Truck. Remember, check out TFLtruck.com for more truck videos. See you next time. I've got more powder to splash.